Thanks ha. Salamat sa box ha.
It's like hot.
Tungdal. Tungdal. Ha ha ha. Pass. I don't like the cutscenes. It's too slow. So slow.
Oh, it's like a vision. The elevator is so slow based on my experience.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Go there, my guy.
Nah, you know that.
Kaya na tayo na. May nibalik pa man ko dito eh. Klaro ko. Kung dili na ako to makita, dili mo progress. Kailangan siya i-akuan mo siya i-trigger.
Yeah.
Wala pa mang battery. Gani na.
No, I think no. You're only supposed to use
Oh, langay kayo.
Ew. So slow. Based on my experience.
Ay, wow. Tsada na ganig cellphone. Tsada pag phone case. Kulba na lang ba?
Middle. Ayar. Fast.
Nag-speedrun ako. Pero ang elevator dili.
My man out here existing to ruin your career.
I swear, kung makuha na po tatong box. Lord, ayaw ko miko ay sabi. Ano na yung ano yung drone?
What? Ew, ball. Yeah, we got it. We saw. We're not blind.
That's a woman now.
What?
Katong kuan, picture sa doll.
Was it like?
I-comment yun si ma'am sa ako pag lihok sa akong tiil ba?
Yo. That it's an anxious, I don't know.
Tara. Yay!
Binalik na tayo ni Lord. Silence. Now let's leave, motherfuckers. Bye-bye.
Sa tong numbers dai.
Oh, wait.
Oh!
No, I don't think
2, 5, 6.
I don't think it's enough.
Answer must be close. This is not a kuan. 2 digits. 9.
Oh.
6.
Yay.
Told you.
Pila daw ko!
Asa? Oh, stop.
Kalmado kay ni nag-gameplay do.
Yep. Playing horror game with nonchalant people be like, we're so nonchalant. Like we can fuck ourselves. Yeah, you go fuck yourselves, you demons. Oh, you're painting, but you're bad at it.
No, that was the man, bro.
He's a bad painter.
I'm gamit sa boss. Why is there balloons now?
Pennywise, what the fuck are you doing here?
Real. What that means?
Hello.
Look!
Well, thanks for helping us because we didn't know the code.
Aha, tong babae. Nay, naghilak na babae diri ka ganina ni. Abot din tong katong lalaki na katong puti ba?
Whoa, is it a child?
No, it was a grown woman crying.
Maybe it's his wife. He's abusive.
Instagram.
It's
You don't have to follow the, you're being live.
what? What? Being lied? Why are you helping? He's helping us. What if it's like a relative of ours?
There's no in the portrait.
Wait,
Sa to?
wait, no.
Ana, 3. 3. 5.
Oh, I thought it was a gun. Hi, we're just.
Sir?
Hello? Whoa, so nonchalant.
Sir?
You kissed us.
He kidnapped us! He's literally Sangwoo. He's Sangwoo. He's in Nata siyang house.
My heart went a little deep.
Bro. Whoa.
My heart dropped. And I lost my soul. I'm dead inside. It was my beginning of depression.
Tor. Oh, I didn't like that guy.
JD!
Meow. Muli na ta?